Hey Pyro, if you have been looking for a wood burning project that's pretty much all put together for you with quality wood, the project already picked out for you, you don't have to go to the store and go get anything. I've got just the thing for you. It is the brand new Burn Savvy Wood Burning Crate Club. And I am thrilled to be offering this. This is something I've been considering putting out there for about 4 years now. Every month we're going to be doing a workshop together. If you have the box, you will have all the materials that you need to make a beautiful project from start to finish. And I'm so excited to show you what's inside of it. So let's get right into it. It is a kit in a box where you basically have all of the materials you need to complete a project from start to finish. It is going to be so much fun. I can't wait to show you everything that is inside this crate. The first project that we're doing this month is going to be Gnome for Christmas. We are also making 3 cute little gnome ornaments. So you're going to have these and this all together in one really fun project box. I'm going to show you everything that's inside of it, and it's all launching Black Friday. And if you would like to subscribe to the Wood Burning Crate Club, that's at crateclub.burnsavvy.com. Go check that out. In the meantime, I want to show you what's inside the very first project for the Wood Burning Crate Club by Burn Savvy. First up, you have a list of all of the things that are included in your wood burning crate. And we have lots. Of course, it comes with project instructions that you can follow step by step so that you can do the project on your own if you'd like, or if you'd rather not do it on your own and you'd like to have maybe a little video guidance. We're going to be doing videos every month here on YouTube to show you how to use the subscription box. You will get a link to the online video workshop that I'm going to be posting here very soon. So it's going to be super fun. If you are subscribed, then you can walk through all the same steps that we go through together in this video. I'm super excited. So you have your instructions and you have your steps and you have the ingredients of the box. The next thing is you have a slice of wood. This is what my email subscribers voted on. So for the very first box, we're going to be having a live edge wood slice for our project. And the project is called Gnome for Christmas. This is my little gnome for Christmas. And this is the project that we're going to be burning on these wood slices. Next up, you're going to get a set of live edge wooden ornaments that are already pre-drilled and ready to go. And this is where you're going to burn all of his little sidekicks. These guys, aren't they so fun? You actually get 4 different patterns to choose from, and then you can choose your top 3 favorites to make 3 coordinating ornaments to go with your Gnome for Christmas gnome. It's gonna be so much fun, guys. Oh, and speaking of patterns, that's next. You get a pattern with the full project and then your 4 little gnomes that you get to choose from, along with full instructions on how to use these patterns, how to transfer them, all of that right here on this handy little paper. And then you get carbon paper. Of course, you don't have to use it, but I just find that I go so much faster when I use this carbon paper. And so that's going to be included in the box for you. The next thing will be a practice piece of wood, because so many times we are afraid to ruin a good piece of wood. And this is a practice piece of poplar. It's what I recommend that all of my students, my shading students, my lab students, the Learn and Burn course for beginners, this is the stuff that I have them use because it is so good for practicing. It's actual wood. You can use it to try out all of your techniques. You can use it to test the heat. You can even use it to sample paint on and things like that. It's still really good to see how those things work on wood. Next up is paint. You're going to be getting 3 different colors of acrylic paint with this project, so you can add just a splash of cheer to your wood burn piece. If you don't want to use them, you totally don't have to. But I find that it's really fun to just add little pops of color here and there. And of course, you will get a little paintbrush to go with it. And of course, you have to have the sealant. This is a polyacrylic, and a brush to apply it. So you have your applicator brush and your finish, and that's going to help you to make a complete project. But to totally top it off, you need hanging hardware. And that's what I'm giving you. You have this little thing right here. There it is. It's a sawtooth hanger, and these are self-tapping. So all you have to do is set it down onto the wood and tap it in. You don't have to worry about little nails. You don't have to worry about mushing your fingers. It's awesome. And last, of course, is the jute twine that you'll be hanging your ornaments from. You have all the big things that you need to complete a project from start to finish. Now, there are a couple of things that are not included in the kit, things like hammers and scissors and things like that. And I've got that all listed down here for you also. And that way you know exactly what it is that you need to get so that you can do this project. Now, if you're like me, you like to have your own tools on hand, on site, in a nice little compact space so that you can use them whenever you want. I have a solution for all of you pyros who need your own tools. This is one of the add-ons that you can get with a subscription box. This is the Woodburning Accessories and Toolkit. This comes with all of those fun little additional things that I wish that I could have on hand. I'm going to show you what's inside. Are you ready? So first thing is a sanding block. Sandpaper is easy enough to use, but sometimes it can be kind of hard on your hand, and a sanding block is super nice. So I include a sanding block in the toolkit. You will also get a sand eraser. And this is really good for getting off those pesky little pencil lines and carbon paper lines that show up in other places that you didn't want to show up on your wood burning pattern. So if you've got marks on the wood and you need to take them off, this eraser is fantastic for that. The only caveat here is that if you draw anything too darkly, nothing's going to get it off but sanding it down. Don't draw too dark, and you won't have to resort to sandpaper. You can use your handy little sand eraser. Next up is the tracing tool, and this, if you can see that, there we go. This is really fantastic for tracing patterns and helping you be able to keep the pattern clean. If you're like me, you like to reuse your patterns, and these are things that you can make extra Christmas presents for. You can do all kinds of fun stuff with this. And so I like to keep my patterns clean from pencil marks and pen marks and things like that. So that's what I like to do. And I love this tracing tool for that. Another one of my favorite tools is a bean bag, the Burn Savvy bean bag. This one is something that I use actually with every single project that is higher than like a quarter or an eighth of an inch. I love to put my hand on the bean bag so that my hand is at the same level as my burn. If you have it down and the burn is higher, a lot of times you have to lift your hand or you have to put your pinky out, and that just kind of stresses out my hand. It stresses out my wrist and my fingers and my grip. And that's no fun for me. And so I have discovered that these bean bags are fabulous for propping your hand up to the level of your burn and giving you something comfortable to rest your wrist on while you're burning. Then, of course, you have to have scissors. And you're going to use these to cut out your patterns. You're going to use these for cutting off tags on things. I mean, they're scissors. You're going to use them for everything. But these are particularly sharp on the end, and I love that. They are also black on the handles, so it's a nice classic color. These, you can always know, are your wood burning scissors. And then if anyone tries to steal them, you know which one are yours. Next, of course, is a hammer. I love this little hammer. It's a little jewelry hammer, and it is perfect for hammering in those sawtooth hangers. It taps it in so nicely and it gets the job done, but it's not crazy heavy. You can see it's not super big, and so it's not bulky. It's not taking up lots of space. It is so nice to have on hand. I love my little hammer. And last but not least is the zipper pouch, and this holds it all together so that you don't ever have to go hunting for the tools and supplies that you need on hand right now because you're burning. I find that a lot of times I get robbed, and it's not any bad intentions. It's just that the kids are doing some homework that requires scissors, or there's some kind of a project going on outside and they need the hammer, and so all of my tools will disappear. But when I keep it in here, nobody gets into this little bag. It's all mine. So I don't have to worry about being robbed anymore because it's all in here. So I am super in love with this darling little black and natural zipper pouch to keep all of my tools in. So handy. And if you sign up between now and January 4th, 2023, you will get a founding members gift. So if you're ready to start burning with me once a month, a project together, having so much fun and having all of the goods and all of the materials put together for you so that you don't have to go to the store last minute or anything, go sign up. crateclub.burnsavvy.com. I am so excited. I cannot wait to burn with my fellow Pyros. That's one of my favorite things to do ever. Don't forget the upgrades. You can get that awesome wood burning accessories and toolkit. You can also get a wood burning tool, my favorite beginner basic wood burning tool, the Walnut Hollow Versa tool, as an add-on. And you can get all of those things right there in that first sign up. And you can sign up for 3 months at a time or 6 months at a time or whatever package works for you. I am so excited to burn with you. I'm Jannie Lisenby, your Pyro professor, and I'll see you there. Later, Pyro. I have a little helper who's decided she's going to show us. My hand. Yeah. Got to show it up where they can see it. Can you do it? Almost. Almost. All right. Can you show this? Hold it up. Put it right here. Right there. I love you.